How to unassign a Uber Eats order. Well, unassigning the order is usually possible with the only catch being that, depending on how far along in the preparation process, you may or may not be eligible for a refund. The first thing you should know that Uber Eats order can only be refunded before the restaurant accepts the order. At many restaurants, this happens automatically or within 1 minute of the order being placed. That means you have a tight window to get a refund on your order. So in order to unassign the order, what you want to do is head over to your application Uber Eats. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you are logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to orders at the bottom right corner. It will redirect you to this page. In this page, it will show you all the list of the order that you have made. You can see I have made one order here. In order to unassign, simply click on cancel order. So over here you can see it says, if you cancel you will be charged for the meal and lose your promotion. Well, if you are ready to pay the charges, click on cancel order at the bottom. And then your order will be cancelled successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to unassign order on Uber Eats. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.